In 2005, India had just 50 to 60 operational airports. By 2015, that grew to 95. Today, in 2025, we have 147 operational airports, out of which 103 are domestic and 34 are international, with a bold vision of 300 by 2047. Passenger traffic is skyrocketing. In 22, it has been a 47% surge. By 2030, on an annual growth of 10 to 12%, it can hit above 500 million passengers. What do you guys think? Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into Udan, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, the game changer for Indian aviation industry. Beyond just airports, we'll uncover key stocks poised to benefit from this massive growth. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the top investment insights. Government is pushing 45,000 crores for the regional connectivity. You can check down the breakdown of Udan on the screen. Big investors are taking off. Even Vijay Kedia is betting big on helicopter aviation. Curious to know? Then watch till the end. Beyond airports and airlines, there are other sectors to watch. But let me tell you a fact. Under this scheme, you will get a 50% discount on air tickets. Well, infrastructures take time, but patient investors can reap huge rewards. Direct winners of Udan scheme are Indigo and SpiceJet. Indigo and SpiceJet are India's top low-cost airlines, but Indigo is soaring with 68% sales growth in 3 years, while SpiceJet lags at 5%. The airport industry is capital intensive, so don't expect positive cash flow very soon. FIIs and DIs are playing major role in these stocks. You want to know the revenue streams? Keep watching. Well, whoever has traveled already knows that airport needs seamless intra-airport transportation for employees, passengers and cargo. That's where electric buses come in. Key players leading this are JBM Auto Limited. They have got a market share of 35% in the e-buses. They provide manufacturing components, tools and offer maintenance services. Next would be Tata Motors, after that Switch Mobility and Ola Electra Green Tech. They have pioneered in public and commercial EV buses in India. These companies are powering airport electrification. Now we have to discuss about the cargo handlers. Cargo handlers are the backbone of air logistics. Air cargo demand is soaring and top logistic players are teaming up with airlines to stream the deliveries. Key players dominating the cargo market are Delivery, Blue Dart Aviation, Spice Express, Indigo Cargo. Now again you know that winners are Indigo and SpiceJet yet again. For the airport to build, there has to be a team and management. Well, Indian airport expansion isn't just about runways. It's about infrastructure, maintenance and retail growth. Key players in the air development are Adani Aerospace. It's a subsidiary of Adani Enterprises, expanding its footprint in aviation. Other players are GMR Group, DLF, L&T and Tata. They're also driving the airport construction and management. Well, even when there is construction, there has to be a management. That means aircraft maintenance and ground handling experts. So out of that, there are other companies like TAL Enterprise, Adani Aerospace and GMR again, providing crucial maintenance and ground support. Well, these companies do build the airport, and airports are retail hubs. Luxury brands, duty-free stores, malls and food courts are booming. Companies involved in terminal design and leasing retail spaces will benefit big time. We will now discuss about a major sector which is going to get benefited. Indian aviation boom is fueling demand for construction material and energy supplies. Well, when it comes to cement, Adani Group, they have bought Ambuja Cements and ACC for $10.5 billion, now India's second largest cement maker. Ultratech and many other companies are there as well. When it comes to steel, Tata Steel, a powering Indian mega projects, and Elegant Steel, even though they are not listed, they are also very good big suppliers. Fuel and energy players are IOCL, ONGC, PPCL, HPCL, RIL, Nayara Energy, SR Energy. They are all contracted suppliers of diesel for airlines. They will be benefiting from Udan and aviation growth. As airports expand, these sectors stand to gain massive. As aviation expands, real estate and urban development will soar. Housing finance stocks to watch are Geo Finance, Bajaj Housing Finance, HUDCO and many others. For urban expansion, growth will vary by location, but major players like Prestige Estates, DLF, Oberoi Realty and Macrotech developers, also known as Lodha Group, are set to benefit out of it. But before you invest, do your own research. We all know that the technology is developing faster day by day. Airports are going smart and digital, creating huge opportunities for tech companies. Out of which there are few tech companies that we have got to watch. One is Adani Aerospace. They are providing digital solutions for aviation. Tech Mahindra is another. They are transforming travel and logistics with AI and automation. There are also other players which are Zest IoT, Rapid AI Vision, Stomato Bot, because the tech is redefining air travel stay ahead of the game. As the Udan scheme has been coming into phases, they have also expanded their wings into a helicopter business as well. Despite of these market swings, ace investor Vijay Kedia boosted his stake in helicopter company to 5.07%. Global Vectra Helicorp. The stock has surged 110% in 1 year and 368% in 3 years. They offer offshore and onshore helicopter operations. For the helicopter to travel, they need helipads. For choppers to land, helipad development. Helidex, which is an Indian top portable helipad developer, leads the way in this unlisted market. Helicopter aviation is taking off. Are you also ready? So guys, what do you think of these opportunities? Have you invested in any of these stocks? Or know any other private players in these booming sectors? Comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis.